Morning, we're going to figure out how water is getting into a basement. Let's take a look. First thing I want to look at is the outside grounds. This is the corner, and as you can see, the gutter is dumping all the water from the roof out right here, and it's going down in that hole right there. That's probably the source. There is a good pitch away from the foundation, but it does pool here. That window looks a little wet, but most likely it's that gutter dumping the water right there. Let's take a look inside. We have another gutter on this side of the house, dumping water out. It's disconnected. So dumping your gutters into an area where the water gets trapped and has the easiest path is to go through the foundation. You can see here there's moss buildup around. That means that there's constant moisture. So the mulch doesn't allow for the moisture to go anywhere. It's not pitched away. All the water gets trapped. The obvious thing to do is to get the water to pitch away. Change the way the gutter routes the water. These windows are below grade on the blacktop. Now this is that window that is below grade. Surprisingly, there isn't really many signs of water coming in here, even though I can see sunlight underneath there. Definitely needs silicone. There's spray foam there and spray foam all up the side, but I can see sunlight underneath the bottom. So definitely need to silicone the inside and the outside of this window, and if there was any way to change the grade a little bit, that would be best on the outside to keep the water away from the window. Let's look at the corner over here and see what we have going on over here. Now it looks like they have a towel here and water coming in here. This is the corner where that other gutter dumps out. Most likely it's just because the gutters are dumping the water from the roof right against the foundation. It's getting trapped and it's finding its easiest path into the home. The first and easiest solution is reroute the gutters and change the landscaping so that the water can actually get away from the foundation on the house. Some things to take into consideration is how much water is actually getting in the basement on a regular basis into the sump pump area. If your sump pump runs frequently, there's a good chance you have a high water table, especially if your sump pump is running and it's not raining. Then you definitely have a high water table or something going on outside the house where there's a stream or a creek or something like that, or underground water source that can actually come up through your foundation. So keep that in mind. If you have a high water table, make sure you definitely have a battery backup system or a water pressure backup system for your sump pump, just in case your power goes out. It'll definitely help you save some money and time and headaches. But remember, when it comes to gutters on a house, you want to make sure that you're not directing the water from the roof to the foundation. That's the absolute wrong thing to do. Make sure all of your gutters, when the downspouts come down, they come down to an area where the water will pitch away from the foundation. If you have water dumping in an area where you have low soil right next to the foundation, the only thing you're going to do is create an issue where water comes into the home or deteriorates the foundation. So make sure that you're definitely getting the water away from the foundation when it comes down out of the gutter's downspout. Remember, you want to have at least a 1 inch per foot grade away from the house on your soil base. Well, coming back to the location that we changed the routing of the gutters, the area is dry. So it was definitely the gutters dumping the water against the foundation, and it was seeping in. We've had lots and lots of rain, and everything now is bone dry. Well, I hope that helps you in a situation that you might have. Maybe if you're getting water in your basement and it's just a simple solution like replacing the gutters or rerunning the gutters. I hope that helps. Don't forget to subscribe.